it's Umair here. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys the comparison of French and English months. So let's get started. Alright, so let's start with the English months. So as we all know that January, that there are 12 months. So there's January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Now for French, it's basically like the same thing, but like the pronunciation gets like different. Like what I mean by it's basically the same thing is that it starts with the same letters as in English. So janvier, January. So you pronounce January in French, Jean, like Jean, and then V, janvier. And then February, in French, you pronounce it as février, so février. So this is an like a accent aigu, yeah, accent aigu, like wait, yeah. So this is an accent aigu. So basically, yeah. So whenever you add this accent aigu, so basically you gotta pronounce it with e. So it becomes février, February. Février. Now March in French is mars. Alright, now April in French is avril. April, avril. So do you see the difference here? Like it's pretty much the same, but only like in English it's P and in French it's V. So yeah, it's kind of like the same thing. So basically this technique is basically gonna help you memorize easily. Now, May in French is mai, just like in English. Now, June in French is juin, juin. Now, July in French is juillet. So basically, like in French, like in English, I mean, like the pronunciation of J is J, but in French it becomes J, like a G, you know, like J. So June. Juin, juin. So it's not like juin. It's not juin. It's juin. So yeah, you just gotta like get the hang of it. Now juillet, it's basically like the same thing. Not J, juillet. No, not like that. It's juillet. Now August in French is août. Août. So wait, you might be wondering, here it is written like, here it is written AOUT, like A-O-U-T. So yeah, so that's confusing, right? Like no, that's because like the O, I think it gets like silent, so you just pronounce like the, like this, it, yeah, so this U and on top of that is a circonflexe in French. So it basically makes it OU. So yeah, like it's not AU. Or maybe the A is silent. So yeah, so OU, not AU. Now September in French is basically septembre. So basically like the ER in here is basically reversed, which became RE, septembre. Now October, same thing goes for here. The ER is reversed with RE, octobre. Same thing for November, ER, it became RE. And finally, December, ER, same thing goes for here, RE, and also there's another difference, the accent aigu, accent aigu. So basically, accent aigu makes it, so it makes it like a, like the sound A. So yeah, like in English, it's December, but in French, it's décembre. Like D-E-H, décembre. Décembre. So basically, let me just write like décembre. Now November, Novembre. So it basically becomes like Novembre. Yeah, and then October, it becomes, yeah, so it becomes like Octobre. So O-C-T, October. So it becomes like October. But instead it's October, right? So yeah, same thing goes for the rest of them. So septembre, sept, and then ombre, and then août. So août, it becomes août. It's basically like how do you say août? How do I write it in English? Like ooh. So basically just like OU. Yeah, ooh. Now July is juillet. So basically just do juillet, juillet. Now June is juin. So sorry, it's a G, not a J. So G. So juillet, juillet. Now June is juin. So basically juin. So GUIN. And finally, and then May. May is basically May, or maybe May. And then April is basically like a, and then real. Yeah, just like that. And then March is Mars. So Mars. Yeah, Mars. And then Février or February is Février. Février. Yeah. And then Janvier is Janvier. So yeah. So just like I wrote all of this for you guys so that it's gonna be very easy for you guys to memorize. So let's do the recap now. So Janvier, February, Février. So just repeat after me. March, Mars. April, Avril. May. Yeah, same thing. Now June, Juin, like the G, not the J. Juin. Now July is Juillet. Yeah. And then August is just août. Yeah. And then September is like septembre. Like like sept, like you write sept and then or sept and then ombre. Yeah, septembre. And then October, October is octobre. Now November is novembre. Like novembre. And then December finally is décembre. December. And yeah, guys, that was it for today's tutorial. So I hope you liked this tutorial. And yeah, guys, have a nice day. And also, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. That will help a ton for me. And it will also help for you guys because when you subscribe, you won't forget, you will get reminded whenever I upload new videos. And yeah, guys, have a nice day. Bye.